Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. I know I haven't been here in such a long time. Like, a lot of things have been happening really. I had a problem with my Wi-Fi. It wasn't working, so we tried fixing it. It is working, but it's not really working. I think I might as well just change my internet connection to something different. I'm currently using Rain, so I don't know, maybe I'll change it to Telkom Angazi. So that's the reason why I haven't been on YouTube for a long time. And also the passing of Ricky Rick, oh my gosh, it was so devastating. Has anybody ever passed away, like a celebrity that passed away, and you don't even know these people, but you were so touched by their death that you just felt so shattered? So, like, yeah, a lot of things have been happening in my life. If you're new here, I share motherhood content, I do vlogs, and I also do business. So I just had a baby. Well, not really, just had a baby. I had a baby like 8 or 9 months ago. 9 months ago. So I haven't been myself. I've been having low self-esteem. My dress code has changed. I was just in a dark space. Like, everything was just, I don't know. I feel like I wasn't dressing properly. I wasn't the Naomi that I knew. I wasn't dressing well. I was neglecting a lot of things. And right now I'm getting back to myself. So in today's video, I'm taking my husband out for ice cream, probably the cheapest ice cream ever. But for me, it's just the thought that counts, like waking up, doing what I love, and being a wife, being a mom. It's such a blessing. There are certain things in life that we take for granted that we shouldn't take for granted. So today I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna take my husband out for ice cream and just enjoy life. I'm gonna show you guys my dress code. I think I look cute, I don't know. Yeah, for the past 9 months, guys, my dress code was terrible. I honestly don't want to lie. I'm not a fashionista, but my dress code was a nightmare. So I'm getting back to myself. If you'd like to see motherhood content, vlogs, business, and just things that are interesting in life that I'd like to share with you guys, please do subscribe on this channel and stay tuned. So this is basically a vlog, so I'm going to take you guys with me for our ice cream date. See you guys in a bit. Yo guys, petrol is so expensive. Petrol yatura in South Africa, it's 21 rand 60. 21 rand 60, guys. Yo. And once petrol goes up, one thing I know for sure, food is going to go up, everything is going to go up. But one thing for sure, employers do not increase payments or salaries rather, and it's so frustrating, guys. It's really frustrating. I cannot believe petrol is 21 rand 60, guys. No. Even cooking oil is a luxury in South Africa. It's like 75 rand for a 2-liter. So guys, no, it's too much. It's too much. Like, taxis are going to go up, taxi fares are going to go up, bus fares are going to go up, aeroplane yona, I don't know. Yo, hey guys, I'm out of words. Like, we need to hustle. I don't know, hustle ganchani, because wow, it's hectic, it's chaotic. It's 21 rand. Yo guys, things are so expensive. Like, things are expensive, guys. Things are so expensive. Like, you try this, you try that, but it's just not matching up you know, the cost of living in South Africa, it is so high. Ngapha, it's the pandemic. People have lost their jobs, guys. People have lost their jobs. Yazini, I thought I switched off the radio when we were having a conversation with my husband. Unfortunately, I didn't switch off the radio, so there was some music playing in the background. And you know how it is with YouTube. If you play an artist's music, you can get a copy strike or a copy claim. So I'm not trying to get in trouble with YouTube or any other artist. So yeah, guys, and I really thought I switched the radio off. Anyways, do comment down below and let me know what you think of this vlog so far. I'd really love to hear from you, or if you have any other suggestions that you'd like for me to, you know, create content about, do let me know. I'm open to ideas and suggestions. I actually have a question for ladies. Okay, don't hate me, don't come for me. Do you guys take out your husbands? If you have a boyfriend, do you take out your boyfriend and spoil them, or do you prefer them spoiling you all the time? I've noticed one thing. I've had few conversations with other ladies, you know, girls, and most of the time it's the guys who normally take out girls on dates and spoil them and so forth. So what do you really do? Do you take your partner out? Do you only take them out on their birthday? Comment down below, because I'd really like to know. So guys, I know I said we were going on an ice cream date, but I just remembered that my son needs spoons and bowls. So right now we're at Checkers and I'm just trying to look for those things, hoping I'm going to find them. If not, I will go to Pick and Pay just to check if they have the bowls that I'm looking for, bowls for feeding these guys. So yeah, I'm just checking here. Let me show you guys. In case you didn't get what I was saying, this is what I'm looking for. I think this one is cute. 6 months plus. So he can have his food there, and then probably have his juice or water. $39.99. Okay, this one says 12 months plus. So I don't know, guys. Which one should I take? Which one should I pick? Guys, this one is also cute, but it has a spoon. I want my son to try out fork as well. I like this one. Reason being, it's got a spoon and a fork. So guys, I don't know, hey. So guys, I feel like this ice cream date is an epic fail, because right now we are at game. We are looking for my son's sponge. He's now 9 months old, so we want him to sleep in his own bed. So we do have the bed cord, but we don't have the sponge. So that's basically what we're looking for. So guys, once you have babies, they become the priority, like the major priority. So yeah, we're at game now, trying to see the prizes, but we can't see can't see the prices of the sponge. So yay, so we finally got our ice cream. So I feel like this ice cream date is an epic fail in a way, because yeah, we didn't straight go to the ice cream. We had to look for stuff for the baby. So you know, once a baby is born, like the whole focus is the baby. I can't even remember when last I bought myself new clothes. But either way, I'm happy that we got to buy this ice cream eventually. Even though we're having this ice cream in the car, it's still fine.